Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, my name is Sharon and you're welcome to Sharon and Chris TV. How we all doing? Hope we are good, we are fine. So in today's video, I'm going to show you easy recipe to make your pepper gizzard. So here are the ingredients I'm going to use in making my pepper gizzard. So this is the gizzard I'm going to use. This is chicken gizzard, the groundnut oil, tomato, green pepper, dry pepper. You can use scotch bonnet pepper, Maggi, onion, and I'm using this curry to is remaining this one, but I'm using it to steam the meat. Okay, so before I'll start, let me wash the gizzard very well and start steaming, because we are going to steam it and fry it also. So keep on watching guys. So if you have garlic and ginger, you can add it, but the person I'm making this for, someone asked me to make pepper gizzard for him, so the person I'm making this does not like garlic and ginger. So guys, our gizzard is now on the fire. So guys, I'm going to add all the ingredients to steam the gizzard. So I'm about to steam the gizzard now. About to blend our pepper and our onion. See, let's check our gizzard. As you can see, our gizzard is almost ready. So I'm going to test it now if the gizzard is soft, because you know gizzard is very strong. Now I'm going to allow our pot to dry up before adding the oil. Okay, so I'm using the same pot that I use in steaming the meat. So keep on watching guys. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, like, share our video. If you're watching from Facebook, thank you for watching. Please share our video, follow us. Okay, thank you for watching. So our pot is dried now. I'm going to add the vegetable oil. So here I'm adding the vegetable oil. And allow it to hot very well before frying your gizzard. I'm adding onion and gizzard. So guys, I'm going to bring our gizzard out now. I did not allow it to dry very well. If you want yours to dry very well, you can allow it. So guys, I'm using the same oil. I'm adding our onion, and our tomato. So I'm adding our blend onions and the green blend pepper. And cover. So guys, I'm adding Maggi, salt, and you test if everything. So now it's time to add our gizzard. So I'm going to add a little bit of the stock. And cover now. Stir proper and cover. So guys, let's check our gizzard. You see, our pepper gizzard is ready. And I'm going to add this green pepper and yellow pepper just to garnish it. And off the gas. So here is our pepper gizzard. Very simple and easy recipe. This December, prepare it for your husband, your mother-in-law, your friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please guys, comment in the comment section if you are going to prepare this. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification. So stay safe and be good. Okay.